Okay, so hi dear Pisces, very good afternoon to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali and this is a monthly reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of January 2026. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. For tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, links are given below in the description box. So let's start Pisces. Overall energy for Pisces people for the month of January 2026. We have Six of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and Knight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Queen of Cups. You're keeping your heart very pure, compassionate, loving, full of love, forgiving, and full of gratitude kind of energy towards actually everything and everyone, including yourself. That's the underlying energy, and that's really very beautiful. It's kind of a motherly kind of love towards, the whole divine, the whole nature. Then we have Six of Pentacles, Three of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. There is a collaboration partnership. There is some kind of maybe a group of people, a community, your family, your connection with your friends or something. You're trying to balance it out like somehow. There is lack of equal give and take of energy between you and a group of people or a company or a situation. It can be anything, and you are trying your best to just relax and just let it be, so that things are going to unfold the way they should in the coming future. Hmm? So you're trying to figure out a balance between you and some important thing in your life, whatever it is, a person, a situation, group of people, your company, your work, your job, your relationship with someone, and you're trying to slow down and relax and let it unfold. Let it balance it out. My goodness. Let it balance itself out with you. Hmm? Slowly but surely. My goodness, sometimes the fumble is so bad, I got embarrassed. Anyways, let's see in the recent past what was happening, Pisces. The strength card in the recent past. So it took you a lot of strength and courage to not to do something in a particular direction to hold your horses. Okay, we will clarify these cards one by one. Let's see in the current energies what do we have for you people. The Fool card. In the current energies, you guys are trying your best to take some kind of leap of faith, some kind of risk in a particular direction with a very innocent and beautiful energies of trusting on the universe, trusting on the divine. Okay, let's see by the mid of January what we have. Knight of Cups. Okay, some kind of good news, some kind of communication, genuine, heartfelt communication, or peaceful solution, or simply a good news is coming for you guys. Okay, let's clarify the strength in the recent past for you guys, Pisces. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Temperance, and the Justice card. So you were being very patient. You were very patiently waiting for the time when you will be able to do something in a particular direction, and you were waiting for the time when you will be able to do something correctly, something the way it should be done, right? For some of you, it was a legal matter, some kind of courtroom drama or something going on where you had to wait for some kind of results, some kind of decisions to come out, okay, so that you can move forward and do something about that situation. Maybe for some of it was a divorce or separation process. For others of it can be a legal matter of documentation or something. But you were not helpless, but at the same time, you were not able to do anything about it. You had to just wait and watch and very patiently wait for some kind of justice to be served so that you can move forward in a particular direction. Okay. Currently, we have the Fool card. Let's see what's going on. We have the Lovers, the Magician, and the Wheel of Fortune. Now you're making a choice based on some kind of infatuation or attraction, or not impulse, passion. You are feeling very passionate about a particular person or situation in your life, and you're feeling like going in that direction, and you're manifesting this energy of the universe, giving you the green signal, giving you all the possible energies from their side, so that you can move forward in this direction. So you are very infatuated, attracted, and you're very passionate about a particular situation in your life, and you're manifesting this energy of universe giving you the push, universe giving you the green light to go ahead and just enjoy yourself. Okay, so basically you are manifesting this energy of the universe giving you the opportunity to go in a particular direction and enjoy your life to the fullest or something. Okay, this is bizarre. By the mid of January, we have the Knight of Cups. Let's clarify this. We have the Four of Cups, the Strength card, and the Ace of Swords. Something that's disappointing you or maybe confusing you right now at this present moment, something that you're not able to move ahead with, or a direction or a situation that you can't go ahead in, you will be able to get the green signal. You will be able to get the clear cut path in front of you to move forward, to go ahead in that direction. Okay, this was something related to a recent past where you were not able to move forward even if you were ready to do that. Now you are manifesting the universe to give you the green signal, and then the universe is going to give you the greenest signal of your life to move forward. Whatever blockages or whatever is stopping you from moving forward in a particular direction, they're all going to be sorted. Yeah, you're going to get the 1000% clarity, like crystal clear clarity in a particular direction, and the universe is going to give you the good news, the green signal, the message, the communication, whatever it is for you guys, the email, and you guys are going to be like good to go. Okay, this is like the greenest signal given by universe to anyone to go ahead and move forward. Awesome, with love. This is really good. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Pisces. We have the Knight of Pentacles, King of Cups, the Page of Pentacles. Slow and steady is going to win the race, Pisces. For this whole month, take it as your mantra. Slow and steady is going to win the race. Keep your emotions not in control. Actually, you obviously don't have to go out of control and ruin the whole world, but try to understand that your emotions are going to be a little bit on and off, in and out, a little bit up and down. But the more you are going to stay connected to your emotions, the more you are going to be aware of these emotions, the more they are going to settle down and help you to relax, and then you will be able to move forward with a stable, grounded, and mature energy. Hmm? So slow and steady is going to win the race, and be very, very aware of the emotions that you are going to feel during this process. It's going to be a little bit of mess, but it's going to be a cute mess. Like, it's not going to be mess. Okay, it's going to be a cute mess, and you will be able to handle this very beautifully, as long as you are going to be aware of the fact that it is going to take time for things to, align the on the path of your goal, whatever it is. Okay, so you are good to go, but be aware of your emotions and feelings and energies, and don't let them overpower your judgment or cloud your judgment in any way. That's the deal. Good to go. Let's see the final message for you guys for this month. There's something better waiting for you. See, told ya. There's something better waiting for you. I mean, whatever you are waiting for, whatever you're not able to achieve right now, you will be able to achieve that, and in a very, very better and positive way. Do what you know is right for you. Do what you know is right for you from your side. To take the necessary actions, do the right things, even if nobody's watching. A spiritual quest. This whole situation is actually going to help you in your spiritual growth as well. If you're consciously working on your spiritual side, you will be able to acknowledge that. If not, don't worry about it, just keep moving ahead. Okay, you're good to go, you're doing the right thing here. Anyways, so thank you so much for tuning in, Pisces. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.